More news coming in amid Congress protests against the charge sheet filed by the ED against Sonia and Rahul Gandhi. Security has been intensified at the AICC headquarters in Delhi. Congress is going to be protesting at the office of the party. There is heavy police deployment. Central security forces have been deployed. Congress workers are still gathering, is what we know. I'm going straight to Shivani for more details. Shivani, take us through what's going on as far as the Congress headquarters are concerned. I understand that there's heavy police bandobast, and this, of course, with the workers are upset over the ED naming Rahul and Sonia Gandhi in the charge sheet, essentially.
I'm right outside the AICC headquarters, and I keep showing you the pictures how the police deployments have been intensified. The deployment of the police are barricading across the road, and the call for a protest has been given by Congress against ED charge sheeting Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. You see, inside the AICC headquarters, there are some Congress workers who've already started protesting. They are raising slogans against this charge sheet, and they intend to move out of the AICC headquarters and conduct a protest march. So this is what you see at the AICC.
So this is from the Congress headquarters in Delhi. Take a look, in fact, at... We will be going across to those pictures. Shivani continues to be with us. Shivani, take us through what you see around you.
Sneha, as you can see in the pictures, the protest is already on at the AICC headquarters, where the Congress workers are raising slogans. They have in their hands the pictures of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, who have been named in this charge sheet of the ED as the investigation goes on. And the Congress party has been calling this particular ED case vendetta politics. That's what the senior leaders, including Jairam Ramesh and Kapil Sibal, has been saying, that ED as an agency has been used against the Congress party, and they also say that very shortly we'll be seeing a number of elections coming up, including in Bihar. So that's why once again the ED is now flaring up the issue. But the fact remains that ED has already summoned Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in this money laundering case of over 2,000 crore rupees, and they have been questioned. Now the charge sheet has been filed, and once the charge sheet has been filed at the Rouse Avenue Court, there will be a hearing at 25th of April. So you see the protest starting at the AICC headquarters, and the Congress leaders say that they will protest against this kind of misuse of agencies, as they have been calling it, while there is a heavy security deployment outside the AICC headquarters as the protest call has been given by the Congress party.
Shivani, if you could get in a word from the protesters there, from the workers there of the Congress party.
I'll surely try and talk to some of these people who are protesting out here, the workers who are protesting out here. We'll try and get a reaction from them if they want to say something. बताइएगा कि आप लोग आज प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या बात है? ईडी अपना काम कर रही है और
ईडी जैसा पर क्यों नहीं काम कर रही है? जैसा में क्या प्रॉपर्टी है, जैसा की संपत्ति की जांच किया है आपने? जैसा में कभी नहीं हुआ। कोई अजीत पवार से लेकर के अजीत पवार को देख लो, दूध के धूले हो गए हैं। जितना भ्रष्ट भाजपा में है उतना किसी में पार्टी में नहीं। ये पुराने बंद केसों को बारंबार ईडी मोदी सरकार के बहकावे में बंद।
आज का जो प्रोटेस्ट है वो कर रहे हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है, आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
ये सारे के सारे संवैधानिक पदों को नरेंद्र मोदी ने कब्जा कर लिया। राहुल गांधी और श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी के खिलाफ जो ईडी का दुष्प्रचार हो रहा है, उनके सामाजिक समरसता को बिगाड़ने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, उनके सम्मान को ठेस पहुंचाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। यह परिवार शहादत का परिवार है। इस देश के लिए गांधी परिवार ने अपनी शहादत दी है, चाहे राजीव जी हो, चाहे श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी हो।
आप बताइएगा कि लगातार ईडी अपना काम कर रही है, कई बार समन किया जा चुका है, अब चार्जशीट दाखिल तो होनी ही थी, चार्जशीट दाखिल हो गई है, तो अब आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
देखिए, ऐसा है, ये ईडी अपने आप कोई काम नहीं कर रही है, ये मोदी सरकार के और मोदी के इशारे पे काम कर रही है। ऐसा कोई भी साबूत जो है ना सोनिया गांधी के खिलाफ
राहुल
कोई
गांधी
साबूत जो है ना नहीं मिला है। ईडी
Sneha, you see these Congress members, the workers of the Congress party, they have been saying, as their leaders have been saying, that the ED as an agency has been misused against the party. And when the charge sheet has been filed by the ED, where Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi have been named, they are now raising slogan. And this is not the only protest that's happening in the national capital. There's another protest that has been planned at 11:30 by the NSUI. So all the wings of the Congress party, including the primary wing, they will be protesting against the investigation of the ED, the charge sheet that has been filed by the ED, and they are claiming that this is happening because of political vendetta, as we heard from the senior leaders too.
Thank you for getting in those details. Shivani is joining us from the Congress headquarters in the national capital, where there is a protest which is underway. Of course, workers of the party are upset about the fact that the charge sheet names Sonia and Rahul Gandhi. This is in connection with the National Herald matter.